Jack, desktop, Jupyter Jones. This will list my videos, ls the vids, because I'm saving all my vids in a video in a vid file. They're all in the same place. There's the ones I have in there now. Now I made a thing specifically so I could capture video or run video and save and capture my screen. I put this up here. Capture that screen. I know this position automatically now. And it will capture that position and capture whatever's running in here. Oh, I gotta load this up. Doing a little bit of chugging because I'm capturing my screen at the same time here. Now this is captured with audio and everything, and I can do another capture of this screen here. And if I capture this screen here, it can be posted on Instagram. I just posted one to try it out and it works fine. This is how I capture a specific location. I say capture the screen at location 246.114. If I put this right here, right at this position, that's 246.214 right there. So it will capture this area. So if I tell it right here, capture this screen, it'll capture it. And then down here I can play it, and it will play it again inside of here. This is the capture of the capture. And we'll run this, you'll see what I'm talking about. This is the capture of the capture. There's the big video playing, and here's the small capture in here. So I got the video of that, and you saw where I started that video playing. So this is a video of a video. And what you're actually now seeing is a video of a video of a video. That's really something, because I'm recording 3 videos deep. Now here's a script that you can use to capture your screen. This captures the screen as an image. Again, I mentioned before, if you make that file, you save it and you write it and you try to run it. If you get this right here, ben-1 permission denied, that means you have to run and change the mode of that execute file. There it is down there. When you run it inside your book, that's what it will look like instead of your notebook. So I have captured a screen. Oh, here, let's see if we can do it here. We'll capture this screen. Take a second for it to capture. So now we've got the capture. I can open that capture up. There's the capture opened up. Now this is going to go to another video, but it's just going to show you what can be done. Now I've got that image. I can use Python, put a title in that image, and that right there can be used as a title page, as a thumbnail, or you can overlay it on a video. I can take it right here and run it, overlay it on a video, and I've already done this. I'm not going to run it again. I'm telling it load an image. Now again, we'll do this in another video. This is like a teaser of one of my next videos here. This will load the image, or load the video. It'll load the image and loop it. It will take the loop and fade it in after 4 seconds. It will take 2 seconds to fade all the way in. It'll fade it out starting at 9 seconds, and it'll take 3 seconds, and it'll go back into the video. We take this, that's the image, and we overlay it on the video. The first input is a 0. The second input is a 1. The third input would be a 2V. But if you see, you load the image with a fade, and that's all in the memory. Then you load your video and you overlay what you have set, what you have already saved as over. Basically, you load the image, you do all this to it, and you save it in memory under the name, or we index it as over. Okay, so now let's play it. Here's the video starting. Overlook at 3. At 8 start fading out, and fade out by 11. And again, I've done the whole thing here so I can use it as a image I can capture for Instagram. Now if you notice the layout, you can actually do any kind of a layout you want in here. I've done a layout here where, let's see here, I've done a layout here that puts the video down below. Not only does it put the video, but it puts this under it. Jupyter Jones, this video generated for Instagram, and the code to make it go. And now it's all up here, written out up here. That's the HTML to make it work. Again, there it is. I can capture that, and I can post it on Instagram.
I just activated this
faded the
this script right here. And we'll go back to explain
and faded out.
starting my video to record.
Okay.